I'm back with another new amazing bad boy concept tutorial by using PicsArt. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit this type of photo editing tutorial. Simply follow my whole video, watch whole video and download the background and PNGs. I'll give background link in the description. Okay, and please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to channel and tap on bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll get the notification. This is a one type and this is another type. You can see it is very awesome tutorial. Now let's check in video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open PicsArt application. See you there. You have to open PicsArt application, and after that you have to tap on the plus icon like this, and you have to go to add photo, and you have to scroll down and you have to add your background. Okay friends, this is the background. Okay, you can download. I will give link in the description. Now arrange it like this. Now I have to go to add photo and select the PNG. Friends, this is the PNG. Now simply zoom out like this by using the fingers and arrange perfectly in the portion like this on the top portion. Now tap on tick. Now we have to again go to add photo and select your model image. Friends, this is the model image I am going to edit now. Now what you have to do is have to go to the cutout tool, and by using this cutout tool you have to cut the background. Okay, simply draw on the outline and you have to cut your model image. Friends, it will take so much of time, so I am going to do in fast forward mode. Tap on the arrow. Friends, after cutting, this is how the model image look like. Now you have to simply zoom out and arrange your model image perfectly in the center like this. Okay, now tap on tick mark. Now what you have to do is you have to go to add photo and select the smoke PNG. Friends, this is the smoke PNG. Now simply zoom out and arrange in these portions like this. Okay, arrange in this portion like this. Now tap on tick. Okay, now again go to add photo and select the another PNG. Friends, this is the another PNG. Now we have to go to blend and make it screen, and you have to go to flip rotate and you have to tap on here. You can see here the gesture. Okay, now arrange this perfectly in these portions like this. Now by using this eraser you have to erase these unwanted parts by using this eraser. Okay, it is very simple and easy tutorial. Friends, if you are first time watching my video, please consider subscribe and tap on the bell icon. Perfect. Now tap on it. It is how it look like. Now again go to add photo and select the another smoke PNG. Friends, now we have to zoom out completely. Now we have to go to blend and make it screen and arrange the smoke like this, like I am doing in the video. Simply zoom in and you can see the exact position. We have to make the model in the center, and a smoke effect you have to make on the around the model like this. Okay, it will take some time. Now tap on tick. Now go to text and write bad boy. Okay, now you have to add the font. I will give PNG link, don't worry, I will give PNG link for you. Now go to colors, go to gradient and select the color. One color pink and second color blue. Tap on tick and go to stroke, tap on black. Now we have to arrange on the up portion in this top portion. Okay, now decrease go to opacity and decrease opacity a little bit. Perfect, it will be perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, now what you have to do is you have to save this image in the PicsArt application and you have to jump into the Snapseed application. Okay, see you in Snapseed. Friends, now we are in Snapseed application. Tap on this plus icon and add your photo which you edited in PicsArt. Friends, this is the image in the PicsArt. Now we have to scroll it down on the right side and you can see here accenture. You can see accentuate. You have to tap on this, only single tap. Okay, it will take some time. Now perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now go to pencil, go to details, increase the sharpening a little bit and structure a little bit. Now tap on tick. Tap on pencil, go to tune image, go to saturation, increase a little saturation, and go to warmth, decrease a little warmth. Okay, edit little warmth, increase a little highlights, increase a little ambience, and the contrast a little bit, saturation decrease a little bit. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on pencil, go to selective and tap on here the model image and decrease the saturation a little bit and increase the brightness a little bit. It is perfect. Finally, our special bad boy concept is ready. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. Like this, you can also edit your images. Now simply save this image and have fun. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.